Good day, Sir Gailo. Here we are, Group 4, to present our research entitled Factors Affecting Study Habits of Selected Working Students During this Pandemic. So we discussed about abstract, methodology, hypothesis, and background of the study. So let's start. Abstract. We all know that working while attending school creates time shortage, and students require highly developed time management skill in order to handle school and work, especially in this current situation that we are facing in nowadays. In the rapid pace of changing generation, and as we can see, and nowadays, nagiging common trend na, especially sa mga kabataan, na pagsabayin ang pag-aaral at pagtatrabaho. For the working students, they call it side hustle dahil hindi madali na pagsabayin ang pagtatrabaho at the same time, pinipilit mong makakap up sa pag-aaral mo for you to able to learn. Maraming mga bagay na dapat isalang-alang for the sake of betterment of your life. Especially sa pandemya na ating kinakaharap sa ngayon, sa kasalukuyan. It is a great concern for the students who are pursuing their education and earning at the same time. This study attempts to know what factors that can affect the study habits of selected working students during this pandemic. In addition, this research study will explore the experience and struggles of selected working students in both time spent in studying and time spent in working during this pandemic. So we decide to choose this topic first to relate in our subject, which is business research. So it is in line or related to business matter. Secondly, to relate in the current situation that we are facing in nowadays, which is the COVID-19 pandemic. Third, in conducting this research study, we choose the students to become the respondents of the study because we are students also. Basically, we can easily communicate or relate to those working students. As a general, this research study wants to know what are the factors that can affect in the study habits of selected working students during this pandemic. Ibig sabihin, yung mga students na nagsimulang magtrabaho, simula nang magkaroon ng pandemya because many students today find themselves in a very hard situation. Since they have to work at the same time as they are going to school in order to afford to live. So this research study wants to explore the struggles and sacrifice of working students experiencing in both time spent in studying and time spent in working during this pandemic. The participants for this research study include 50 selected working students during this pandemic. And this study will utilize an online research, construct questionnaire and online interview, and gathering information about their experiences and related variables. In this part, explain the process we do in collecting and gathering data. I will explain this further in research methodology part. The research aims to provide encouragement and motivation to all students, especially those financially distressed, to continue their studies in order to become competitive in the future and to be able to realize their goal and aspiration. It may also provide learning experiences and inspiration to other students who are not working students. Working while studying should be a huge challenge. Balancing work life and studies can be quite hard. It's hard to feel like you're failing in any area of your life, but this study aims to provide benefit, encouragement, and motivation. For those working students who feel tired, surrendered, and hopeless, to become competitive in the future and fulfill all of their dreams in life. And also, it gives a lesson, opportunities, and inspiration to others who are not working students. So, continuation of Annalina Limos.
So, thank you, Ms. Giselle Gaputan. Hypothesis testing. The study indicates that the selected working students will benefit from their responsibilities, which result from their dual role as both students and employees in many ways, especially During this pandemic, they choose to combine working while studying to earn money to aid their financial distress, to learn how to manage schedule, and gaining soft skills such as communication and problem-solving skills for preparation for the big future ahead. However, being working students also suffer from failing grades, time pressure, and lack of sleep, which result to anxiety, stress, or even depression. The hypothesis to be known that studying while working may affect students' study habits, especially in their academic performance. This research study seeks to provide encouragement and motivation to all students, especially those financial distressed, in order to become competitive in the future and be able to realize their goals and aspirations. So, it is commonly perceived that the working students have hard time managing both work and studies during this pandemic. So, in this hypothesis testing, the researcher assumed that this study that all the working students keep motivating, achieve their goals, and to become more competitive in the future. So for the next is background of the study. The current COVID pandemic has caused all of us. However, the impact of pandemic and its consequences are felt differently depending on our status as individuals and as a member of society. Many people are familiar with the concept of work-life balance, while some try to adapt to combine working and studying to keep themselves functioning. Working while studying is not easy task. For the working students, this can be taught situation which needs balancing of time between studies and work. Working full-time or studying to full-time clearly requires a lot of effort. Working in full-time while attending online schools create time shortage, and the students requires highly developed time management skill in order to handle school and work. There are some obvious advantage to this work approach, from finishing school more quickly to maintain the current job and the associated income and benefits. Just be aware that by choosing to study and work time, you are essentially signing themselves up for a few very hectic years. Students should be very clearly about the reasons to be a full-time student and worker. Working while also studying full-time clearly requires a lot of effort. Putting so much of their mental and physical energy into this uneasy arrangement can quickly leave that feeling fatigue, stress, or both. This study will help to determine the factors affecting the study habits and academic performance of selected working students during this pandemic. So, the COVID-19 has a big impact to many people, or may I say, to the world, especially the students. On the other hand, some of the students choose the working while studying, and they called as a working students. So, they choose this because of financial distress. They need an income for their lives. Both working while studying is not easy for them. They need to balance their time for handling everything, especially for the mental and physical. So that's why the researchers study this kind of article or research study. The researcher wants to know the factors affecting study habits of selected working students during this pandemic. So now let's move on for the research methodology that we'll discuss by Giselle Gaputan.
So, research methodology. This study deals to know the factors affecting the study habits of selected working students during this pandemic. In this time of pandemic, the researchers will not be able to conduct face-to-face survey and interview. To make this research study possible, the researchers use online survey method of research. Online survey method is the technique gathering data by asking questions to people who are thought to have desired information. This method enables the researchers to interpret theoretical meaning of the findings in hypothesis development for further studies. Specifically, the researchers utilize a Google Form questionnaire type of survey method, which enables the researchers to gather information from the respondents by analyzing and interpreting data for the researchers to have information regarding the factors that affect the study habits of selected working students during this pandemic. So our research is a type of qualitative research because we have a smaller sample, which is our focus group is selected working students only, and we base on their opinions, experience, and answer an open-ended questions based on our topic. In gathering information in data survey method of research, the one we choose. When we say survey method of research, it is the collection of information from a sample of individuals through their responses to the questions about factors affecting the study habits of selected working students during this pandemic. But we are not able to conduct face-to-face survey and interview because of this current situation that we are facing in nowadays. So, to make this research study possible, we conduct the survey method of research through online. We create a Google Form survey questionnaire type of survey method, which enables the researchers to gather information from the respondents so the researchers can make presentation, interpretation, and analysis based on gathered information from the respondents. And we have some online interview and calls to ask some questions and share thoughts and experience while working and studying. It is a great opportunity to their insights, and it helps a lot in continuing this research study. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening, Sir Gailo.